How to install pop-up player on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to install the pop-up player on Android, what you need to do is just open up your Chrome browser on your device. You can also go to any browser that you have. Then on the search bar, you just have to search for pop-up player. Pop-up player. And here you can see the options of purple player over here. Now in order to download, what you can simply do is just go to the search bar again and tap on purple player download. Here you'll be able to see different options. You can just choose any of the option that is more convenient for you to download over here. So here I'm going to go for this option. Then here you can see the purple player option and you can see the download options as well. So you just have a tap on download APK and you'll be able to download the APK version which you need to install, and you'll be able to get the pop-up player on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.